Read the poem aloud from Activity E. Use correct stress and intonation.
Listen and say.
Country, streets, roads, meets, blue, carts, loads, sweet, hay, mangolds, grain, take, away, again, has, there. Trams, rattle, breathe, chimneys, blot, pavements, posts, hedge, rose, lamp, city, rain.
There are 4 words. The sound in each word is different. Listen and say the words.
Crops, smoke, grain, streets.
Drag the words to the correct balloons having the same vowel sounds. Group work. Read the poem again. Answer the questions.
Does the author of the poem prefer the country or the city? How do you know? Underline the lines in the poem that tells you the answer. 2. Do you prefer the city or the country? Why?
Read the poem again. Make 2 lists. One of the things you can see in the country and the other of the things you can see in the city. Click on the blanks to review your answer.
Roads, streets, blue carts, big trams, hay, chimneys, mangolds, pavements, grain, lamp posts, hedgerows, trees.